Hey guys, Melissa here, and today we are going to unbox my new planner. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new content, and if you're not, welcome back. So my doorbell just rang and I just got this planner. I have not opened the box up yet. I thought we could do a little unboxing together. This is another Vanderspek A6. This will be my third one. This is what I'm currently in, is the tobacco leather. And I've been eyeballing this for a long time, and I finally decided to pull the trigger. I felt like I wanted something that was a little bit more springy, summery. So I got the pearl leather. Now these are made in, I think it's the Netherlands. And I ordered this maybe a week ago, tops a week ago, and it's already in my hands. I'm obsessed with how fast their shipping is. First impressions, this is super soft. This is what I love about Vanderspek planners, especially the new ones. They're so soft and they're so squishy. This gray, it's really a pretty, I would say, neutral gray. It doesn't read super, like sometimes you'll get kind of a greeny, olivey cast or almost like a tan. And this, it's pretty gray, I would say, which is what I liked. So I did go with the larger rings. You can choose, I think it's 20 or 25 millimeter, and I chose 25 because I don't like mine to feel super chunky and stuffed. It does have the nice big back pocket. So yeah, I'm gonna put my stuff in here and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I have everything moved over. One thing that is interesting to note is that apparently these back pockets are done just slightly differently. This is just an Erin Condren card, and it will fit in my tobacco, and it does not fit in here. As you can see, like credit cards will fit in here, but just these are apparently just slightly smaller. So that's not really here nor there to me, but just FYI. So that is my new planner. I really like it. I think I'm gonna be really happy with this color for kind of the spring, summer here. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good day.